So first you need a background video, and for background video I choose this. And then you need a music of your choice, and of course you need a PNP media. So for PNP picture-in-picture mode, I choose this video. And then you need to go to this color mask option. So if you choose reveal media underneath, then you'll find this option, and then from here you can use the which layer you wanna color mask. So for me, we want the PNP, and or you can choose either the main media. So let's choose PNP, and then you can also use the color picker, and then you can go to this option to choose your color. You can see the
I could see it on your face, it was rough.
Once you are satisfied, you can just click record.
I love you whispered in the hush of night, as if my chaos was clothed in light.
Once the video is recorded, you can export the video to MP4, and once the video, you can just save it, and that's it. You have your
I could see it on your face,